Hello guys, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to use Capital One Platinum credit card. In this video we've made a list of 7 different ways in which you can use your Capital One Platinum credit card. With the options available for the Platinum credit card, the first is to increase your credit limit. You can do this by using your card responsibly, paying off any debts and making regular monthly payments when due. Increase your credit score. With the Platinum card, you can use the app to monitor and track your finance using the CreditWise app. Using your card optimally would increase the potential of a better credit score. $0 fraud liability. With the $0 fraud and liability feature, you can seamlessly use the Capital One Platinum credit card to make purchases online, knowing that you're not liable to fraud. Manage your payment due date. With the Platinum credit card, you can set a date for monthly payment that aligns with your wage payment date in order to keep your payments on time. This is important if you'd like to increase your credit limit and your credit score. Card lock. The card lock feature allows you to get notified of potentially suspicious activity. You can use this to have an added layer of security on your account. Automatic payments. With the Platinum card, you can use it to stay up to date with payments no matter where you are with automatic payments. And lastly, tap to pay. You can make payments with your card by using the tap to pay feature on payment portals that allow this or have the feature, such as shopping malls and other payment points. So there you have it. Let us know if you found this helpful and thanks for watching.